Patrick, come here.
Baba car.
Ay, oh, wait. Patrick, oh, doon. That's not your school.
That's not your school, Patrick. Come here.
Tuwa siya.
Lalagyan niyo ng gate ng Patrick.
Ganyan pa lang, tuwa na siya eh.
Where are you going, Patrick? Which way to your school?
Kailangan lang naman yung maglakad eh. Balik na tayo.
Gusto na niya mag-exercise eh.
Exercise? You want exercise?
Claustrophobic na siya.
Patrick, where's the basketball? There. Where's the basketball?
Basketball.
Bayaran mo na si John John lang. Yung 3,000 naman, ilalakad yan eh.
Dadaling ko sa mall.
Kumaingin, naririnig pa rin.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye, Bash?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye?
No.